Welcome to Raxter tutorials. In this one we are going to learn about how we can add literature to your projects. Now inside Rax there are multiple ways you can upload literature. One of the way is to directly upload the PDF from your system. So you can select the files or you can drop the files here. Now I have some PDFs ready to upload it, and I'm going to select multiple ones and just go right ahead. You can select maximum of 20 MBs per PDF to be uploaded, and once I've selected, we can upload the PDFs. And there we go, we have the PDFs in place. Now we are just going to go right ahead and add a PDF through an URL. So maybe I'm reading a paper online and I have a URL there and I want to add it here. So I can just directly select the link and I can say, okay, import the literature. So there it is, adding up into my project. Alright, so I have my literatures in place. Alright, so all my PDFs are in place. Now I'm gonna just show you how we can add PDF through the reference manager files that you have. So you can click on add literature and you can select import from reference file, and you have to extract it from into different sources which are supported here. You can drag and drop or you can select files to upload those literature. You can also choose to upload it from the Google Drive. Many of us saved a lot of documents in the Google Drive, so I'm just going to show you how it's done. So import from Google Drive, I'm going to choose my account, and yes, so I've created one sample paper folder. I can select my PDF from there and we are just right about to go, and there you go, my PDF is being added. Now we can add text to a literature. It will help you to identify between different literatures. Okay, so when you're reading for the next time, you'll be able to understand what category does your literature fall into. That's why you can add text. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. So maybe I'm going to go for microplastics. Okay, you can create tags and select colors, because colors will help you identify more better. So just going right ahead and doing one for you. There we go, so we have a tag now. So that's all for this time of Raxter tutorials. Next time we are going to understand the whole reading view. What are the different actions that you can perform when you open a literature. Thank you, and I will be seeing you in the next one.